Alcida, you scary cats. Go.
Again, that's what this place is known for. They're birds.
Go, Alcida, go. Let Alcida go. Oh, Alcida is a little girl.
You guys, these birds scare me.
Start recording. Wait, record for yourself. Record to yourself.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a trick with you.
Oh Lord, have mercy. Throw it on. Throw it on her hair. I'm a little scared. No. Don't you even dare. What's going on? Let's see what happens.
Don't run nowhere. Hold on. I'm gonna come up.
Alright, folks, as you can see, I did not know this, but Alcida is apparently a chicken when it comes to birds. She can kill deer without any mercy, and for whatever reason, she's afraid of these little cute birdies. They are kind of hungry, but for whatever the reason, she's very afraid. Let's see if she can go through with it. Observe. Alcida, what is wrong with you? This is Alcida being scared of a little bird. Why? I do not know.
There you go.
Okay, Alcida's going to try. There you go. Don't move. Don't move. Alcida is panting, folks. There she is. There she is. Apparently, she once again has failed. I don't understand this.
It doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt. Go, you got it. You got it.
There you go. She finally did it.
Go, we got it.
Congratulations, Alcida. Alcida, how do you feel?
I'm very scared. I'm sweating.
You little chicken.
I don't like birds. They scare me.